Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to fix the windows which go up and down automatically even when you press them down. For example, I turn the car on, the window will just go down, but I just want it to stay down, however it just goes up again. And that's what I'll show you how to fix today. So for this job you'll only need one tool, which is flat screwdriver or maybe a blunt knife or something, but something that'll fit into here. So now first thing, you want to take your flat screwdriver and just shove it in here to the hole. Now this is the fuse box. Because I'm in the UK, the driver's is on the left hand side, so the fuse box is on the driver's side. Now the other side doesn't have anything, so we didn't care about it. So I'm just going to pry it with it and it just pops out. So we leave our screwdriver, we won't need it anymore. We just take this and just pull it out. And you can see there's a bunch of spare fuses here, a manual which shows us the diagram and what everything does, and a little tool for taking out the fuses. You can use a peg if you don't have this tool, but I don't see why you shouldn't. Now, to find my one, which is the passenger one, I want to look for the front seat module, left hand, and that's 5. And it's the 5th one down, and it's 25 amps. So now I go back to my box, and I count 5 down, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I take it, and I put my thing over it. Now what you want to do is put your car in first gear, and just take it manually, like this, down to about middle to low. Now you're going to press it so it goes automatically, and then you're going to pull the fuse just before it gets to the top. So now I pulled the fuse, it's out, as you can see it's almost at the top. So now I'm going to wait 30 seconds before closing the car, and then I'll wait another 30 seconds. Let you be entertained by this quick song. Let me just turn off the car, and we're going to wait another 30 seconds. 30 seconds are up, got the fuse here. Now I'm just going to pop it back in, like so. Right, I'm going to turn it back on. I may see that it works now. Now putting it up. It works. So our issue has been fixed now, and we're back to normal working windows. Now I'll show you how to pack it up all now, but let me just show you. Even if I turn it on, if I turn it on, it'll work. Now, this automatic light hands is on, okay? One of them is used to film this video. Up. And it's by itself. It's working. Okay, so now to pack up. We shall turn the car off, and just in case we need to use it another time, we need to put this back on. So we just put this back on like so. We just want to put these clips on either side of it. We'll push them in, then close the rest of it. So just put the clips in, and then just push on it. That's it. That's all we need for this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.